Hi, I'm Amy Karanik. I'm a Sculpey brand ambassador. Let's take a look at the clay conditioning machine. This is the clay conditioning machine, and in the box you get a clamp to hold it to your work surface and the handle, which goes right here in the side, and that's what rolls the rollers. If you look at it from the top, we've got the handle on the right hand side, and on the left we have an adjustable knob for changing the thicknesses of the clay. So 1 is the thickest setting on this knob, and it goes all the way up to a 9. To adjust the thickness, you just pull out and turn to the next level that you want, and then let the knob lock fully back in. I'm just going to take a bar of clay and section some of this off. I don't ever want to force a whole bar of clay through the machine at once, so I always section my bar down into smaller, thinner pieces, and then I use a blade to do that. Now I can feel free to push these through the machine without any threat to my rollers. You want to take good care of your machine so it lasts a long time. Once I push the pieces through individually, I combine them so that they're double thick, and then when they come back out, I can fold them in half and press them through again. Now, a good method for using your machine is to always put the folded side in first. That way air bubbles are pushed out through the layers at the back. If you put the fold in last, you might be trapping air bubbles inside. It would take about 20 passes through the machine to condition fully, and then your sheet would be completely ready for use in any of your projects. A good way to remove color from the rollers, if you see that, is just to wipe gently with a baby wipe. This comes in handy when you're changing from light to dark colors to clean your machine every now and then between colors. The clay conditioning machine is a great way to make work easy and quick when working with oven-baked clays.